Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Last week I reported that the NRC drone site selection tool was out of date, with missing airports and other airspace elements. Well, I have a quick update for you. Shortly after my drone site selection tool is out of date video was published, I was contacted by the person at the NRC who maintains the tool. He confirmed it was indeed out of date, and thanks to my nudge, data updates were now in the works. Today I received word that the tool has now been synchronized to the latest April 22nd, 2021 CFS documents and the corresponding designated airspace handbook. I did a few spot checks and can confirm that it looks okay. Here's the new Class F Advisory Zone, CYA 515, and it seems to now match Drone Pilot Canada. Here's the aerodrome that was missing near Barrie, Ontario, CGF 7. And here's CTP 9, now properly showing as a certified airport. I did a few more checks, and they seem okay too. So thank you, NRC, for updating the drone site selection tool. It's a good tool, not as feature-rich as Drone Pilot Canada, but it does provide the most fundamental information that drone pilots need to know, whether or not there are airspace restrictions where you want to fly, and of course your proximity to aerodromes. I'm sure the NRC will be keeping the drone site selection tool more closely up to date in the future, but if you do see a problem, please contact them directly at this email address, which I'll put in the description as well. Thanks for watching. Safe and happy flying.